Okay, now must be teach you how to install the software, the control software for the Focus Cobra data packaging printer. So once you get the machine, we got a USB flash, and when you go open the USB flash, you will find that there's a control system software folder named the Focus Cobra printing system. This folder, we open the folder, and we find out the Focus Cobra printing system. We open it, double click it, then we will open the interface, the control software, like this. So right now, because we not connect the printer with the computer, so it show connect arrow. So once later we connect the insert the cable and we see the IP address, then we will make the software running. So first is the Chinese version, and we can change to English version. We go to open it here, and we can choose the language. We can change to English, and then we close the software, and we open again. Then it's English version. The Focus Cobra 691S single pass inkjet printing system. So this is the interface for the control software, and here show HB headboard connect arrow, because right now we not power on the machine and we not connect the instant cable between the printer and computer. So now I'll teach you what's the function for each and the setting for each. First, the open is for open the picture. For print, we can support the JPEG file. This is the TIFF or JPEG file we can load directly to print. And this control system, the control software, will not need extra RIP software, because we already have the RIP function inside. So this control and RIP all in one, two in one. So this is for open the file for print. We can support TIFF or JPEG file for print. And further, we can open the folder to find the picture for print. And print is for choose the picture for print. And pause for stop the printing. And for pause the printing, stop and reset is for cancel the job. And the flash is for flush the ink from the print head surface. The parameter setting is for do some calibration. For the overlap between each between two print head, and also the overlap for one print head for each nozzle, for each channel. The head delay is for adjust the gap between two print head for the vertical position. And after we change any parameter, we must click save to save the parameter. And here's the advanced setting. From here we can do some setting, but normally we don't need to change here, because all the setting is for engineer using. If you set the wrong parameter, it will damage the printer and make the print error. We only need to use the RIP set. Here we can choose the ICC profile for what kind of resolution and what kind of material you print. Here have different ICC profile to correct the color. For example, this one focus 4 color and 1200 times 300 dpi for print resolution, and one pass print. The white paper is for print on the top of the white paper, and the yellow paper is for print on the material for yellow paper background. And for this for high resolution, for low, middle, high resolution. And here is for ICC profile, you can open or close. And here you can adjust the ink limit, but normally we no need to adjust it, because we already do the calibration for the color already before that we make the ICC profile. And here we can also choose the resolution we want to print, and the angle is for print the picture here for horizontal or vertical for the picture. And this is the ink limit. We can adjust the ink limit for more dark or more lighter. And this one just keep default. RIP speed we choose high, and the size we can choose sourcing size, or we choose customer size. We can put the picture with size we want to print, and we also open the equal size here. and the mineral print or not mineral print. Normally we just click off, and the RIP file setting, we can choose the folder we want to save. Then and here is we can only use this function for we do the RIP before we print the job. And here we can see the X margin and Y margin. The X margin means the print position from right position to the print position, and the Y margin is for print the direction, the distance between the edge of the Y axis to 0 position. And the trigger model, we must choose trigger sign. Choose trigger sign. Otherwise, we cannot detect the meter, then detect the paper for print. So this is the control software interface, easy to use. And here we can see some parameter setting. When the machine is power on, and here we show the print speed and the position for Y and the flash close or open, and the copies for each. And later must be teach you how to print by the software step by step.